In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your Smartsheet in Excel. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth and easy transition of your data from Smartsheet to Excel. Let's get started by heading over to your Smartsheet workspace or home screen. This is your central spot for managing and accessing all your sheets. Once you're there, you need to open the sheet you're interested in exporting. Whether it's a project plan, a budget sheet, or any other document, select the one you want to work with. Now, with your sheet open and ready, navigate to the top left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the File menu. Give it a click and you'll see a list of options drop down. What we're looking for here is the Export option. Hover over it and you should see several formats you can export your data into. In our case, we want to choose Export to Microsoft Excel, .xlsx. Click on that and Smartsheet will start preparing your file for download. You'll notice it's not a very lengthy process, it just takes a moment. Once it's ready, the file will be automatically downloaded to your computer as an XLSX file. Now, the default download location on most computers is the Downloads folder, so check there first for your newly exported file. Of course, if you've set your browser to save files elsewhere, you'll need to navigate to that specific folder. Once you've located the file, simply double click on it and this action should open the file in Microsoft Excel. If for some reason Excel doesn't launch automatically, you can open Excel first and then open the file through Excel's File and Open menu. But generally, a double click should suffice. Now that you have the file open in Excel, you'll see all your Smartsheet data has successfully made the transition. From here you can view the data, make any necessary edits, or apply further analysis using Excel's powerful suite of tools. Remember that any changes you make here won't affect your original Smartsheet document, so feel free to experiment or tweak the data as needed. And there you have it, your Smartsheet data is now completely viewable and editable in Excel. It's quite simple once you walk through it and can be quite powerful if you're looking to leverage Excel's full capabilities while maintaining the structure you built in Smartsheet. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made it clear and easy for you to bring your Smartsheet data into Excel. Have a great day editing and analyzing your data.